I now call on the Minister for Infrastructure, Meteorological Services, Lands and Mineral Resources, the Honourable Jone Usamate. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and thank the Honourable Member for his question. During the two tropical cyclones, Yasa and Ana, there were a total of 21 water systems and over 80 rural water schemes that were affected nationwide. The problems were due to major landslides, flooding that caused blockage of inlets at our catchment areas and blockages of water pumps, which reduced raw water supply to our treatment plants. This resulted in the breakages of critical bulk pipelines supplying raw water to water treatment plants, and because of the continuous heavy rains, flooding and high turbidity levels caused excessive sludge at our water treatment plants. Tropical Cyclone Yasa significantly damaged many rural water schemes in the Northern Division, especially in the severely affected areas of Mbua province. However, Tropical Cyclone Ana also caused a lot of damage to our water systems and rural schemes combined throughout the country with continuous heavy rain, major floodings and major landslides. Post-TC Yasa, the WEF team that was deployed managed to repair over 80 villages' rural schemes, benefiting over 11,000 people in the 8 tikinis of the Mbua province. They restored 96% of the affected areas within 2 weeks post-TC Yasa, with the main repair works at Ngaloa Island, which involved installing 6 kilometers of submarine pipeline. As I informed the House yesterday, I visited Ngaloa on the Saturday last week and I found that pipeline is not working again. So now Water Authority is looking to reconnect that pipeline. To date, 98.5% of water is restored to the rural water schemes affected during Tropical Cyclone Yasa. After the destructions caused by TC Ana, water supply within the Central Eastern and Maritime Division is fully restored, except for the Navua water supply and Nayangi borehole system at 70%. Well, the WEF team is currently running all 4 borehole pumps to fill the reservoirs in which services are to be fully restored as soon as possible. Water cutting trucks have been deployed to service affected areas. The Western Division water systems have been fully restored except for the Singatoka water system, which currently is at 75% completion. This was due to the blockages on all 6 main raw water pumps which affected the Matovo water treatment plant in Singatoka. The WEF team has been working around the clock to clear the blocked pumps and to desilt the water treatment plant clarifier. WEF deployed water cutting trucks to ensure continuous supply to affected areas. The Northern Division systems are fully restored except for the main system in Lambasa, which is at 40% completion. Continuous heavy rains have caused major landslides in the sea level area, resulting in the washing away and rupture of the major bulk pipeline supplying raw water to the Mbenau water treatment plant. Initially, 250 meters of this major pipeline was washed away, and later on another 80 meters were washed away. And these have had to be replaced. And this has also delayed the system's repair and restoration works. A WEF team of 25 workmen has been camping on the site and will continue to be engaged as human resources to do works that machines cannot perform. With the current production, the water supply has been normalized to the main business areas of Lambasa, and a valve operation schedule will be submitted for the remaining areas that will allow water to be rationed to other affected areas as the pressure normalizes and as the reservoirs fill up. The WEF team should be able to finalize the additional resources required, such as extra tanks at strategic locations and water cutting trucks engagement over the next few days to ensure that affected customers are provided water for their basic needs during this time. And as at Monday, 8 February 2021, the repair works have been completed and we are anticipating full 100% restoration as soon as possible. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Minister for his contribution.